Welcome to Sparklebox, and this is your handy Maddie. Kids, do you like reading books? Yes? That's great. Today we will make a very cute bookmark which you can use every time you read a book. Let's see how it is done. To start making the corner bunny, you need a colorful square paper. Fold it in half as shown. Make another fold from both the sides. Open it and fold the triangular portion in the middle as shown. Fold both sides in such a way that its edges meet the middle portion. Now, fold the side triangles inwards. Take a white sheet of paper and draw out the ears of the bunny using a sketch pen. Cut it out. Now, in a yellow sheet of paper or the color in which you have made the bookmark, draw a smaller pair of bunny ears using a sketch pen. Carefully, using a scissor, cut it out. Once you have both the pair of bunny ears, stick the smaller pair on the bigger one using glue. Put some glue behind the bookmark and stick the bunny ears on it. Draw a pair of eyes as shown with a sketch pen. Draw the nose, mouth and cheeks of the bunny. There you go! Your cute little corner bunny bookmark is ready. Any color you want to make these cutest bookmarks. Aren't you excited to use them? Before going, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Sparklebox. Meet you in another interesting DIY video. Thanks for watching.